Where are we now?
We are in Arayat volcano
Okay.
in Pampanga.
What is the name of this? Babanga.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any idea about the name of this volcano?
Arayat.
Alright.
Arayat volcano.
Okay. Yeah, let's.
Mount Arayat.
Okay.
Let's go.
It's, wow. Very beautiful. You know what? Your country had the best volcano.
Yeah.
The best quality volcano. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice movie.
Very, very, yeah. Sometimes it has firework.
Big fireworks.
This one is active or
Yes, sometimes.
dominant.
Yes, sometimes active.
Okay, okay. And you have the best sunlight,
Yeah.
the best beach, and the best typhoon.
Yeah.
Very strong.
Very strong.
So I have a question.
Uh-huh.
So why you people make so many typhoon and send to my country? You know what?
That's not my fault, sir. Mike.
Oh, many BYD, huh?
Yeah, so many BUID there.
Did you remember? Did you remember that video I showed you?
Yeah.
The one of BYD threw a battery.
We should be careful if we have BYD car together with us.
Oh,
We need to go away.
Well, you gave us so many typhoons, and we're going to give you another
Yeah.
BYD, huh?
We are the supplier of Typhoon in your country.
Yeah, we are the supplier of BYD to you.
Yeah.
Bomber.
Maybe the BYD company just one click. We are.
Do you have any idea why they name it BYD?
As you told me
Oh,
before.
yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I know. The BYD is beyond your dreams.
No, not beyond.
Beyond the?
No, we stop that. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Build your dream.
Build your dream.
Yes. But now maybe it may
Oh.
bomb your dream.
Wow.
They have so many battery that may be on fire anytime, anywhere. You know the solution when the electrical car is on fire?
No.
In China?
What is the solution?
Remove the logo.
Remove the logo.
They hired many people, so and they can remove the logo quickly.
Oh.
But I have a better suggestion.
Uh-huh.
Then we put our competitor's logo.
To the BYD.
Oh yeah, no, Tencent or some others.
They will replace the logo.
And maybe
of
we
the
put
BYD.
Toyota. When the car is on fire, you put check for
It
Toyota.
seems like the logo is just a sticker.
No, automatic.
Automatic.
You two sides.
The one click, then the logo will
yes.
flip like this. Okay.
Correctly. Well, I should go back to China now.
Okay.
Very soon. You know what? My money finished. And there's another reason why I should go back to China now.
Yeah.
You know what? I've been here for 7 days,
Yes.
and I just noticed that I'm speaking with a very strong Filipino accent.
Yeah.
I will practice for you.
Uh-huh.
I saw your machine on YouTube. Yeah. Normally we see I saw your machine on YouTube, right?
On YouTube.
Yeah, but with a Filipino accent, it will be I saw your machine on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yeah, I see, like that.
Yeah.
So if I stay here for a longer time, I will completely become a Filipino.
Yeah.
You know, yesterday I talked with my clients. I sent a voice message to him. He
Uh-huh.
said, "Is that you, Mike?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Why you're speaking with a strange accent?" I just noticed. I stayed here for very long. I should go back as quickly as possible. I don't make this accent strong too much.